Hey everybody, welcome back to FSP Forex Stock Predictions. Hope you're all having a great Wednesday. I am the Vortex Trader, and today we are checking out a position I am currently in on the DAX 30. We have a double top in play, and I'm going to tell you guys exactly how and why I am in this position. So please remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get into the chart. So we are on the 4-hour time frame. All right, and we know that we have seen nothing but bearish movement for the past while, right? And we have been making lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. Now, this setup I particularly like because of the way that these tops are presenting itself. Okay, so let's look at these two tops here. Here is one top, here is another top. Now, what do I like about these tops? Right? I like that they are wicks, because wicks tell me that the bears and the sellers came in every single time price tried to get up to this price point. Wicks, the bears, came in and pushed this price down, which resulted in these wicks being formed. Okay? I also like that those wicks did not break past this previous zone right here, right? So it made a lower high, all right? I also like that the base of this double top started as a lower low, which broke past this previous support right here. So we have a lower low trying to push up to make a higher high, could not do it, so we made a lower high, and we have wicks as the two tops, which is perfect. We then have our next zone, which is right here, this yellow zone right here, right? And then we have divergence, partial divergence across our MACD, across the histogram. We have the histogram weakening, right? We don't have that with the MA lines. This is why it's partial divergence. If we had it with the MA lines, it would be full divergence, right? So we only have partial, which is fine. Now, how do I like to enter these positions, right? I have my next zone. I always like to wait for price to close below the next zone before retracing back into the next zone. Once it retraces, then I open up my position. All right. Now, there are a few ways, there are a few price points which you could open up this position. We could say that we want price to retrace just to the very bottom of the support of this next zone, and that would be fine. Some people like the 50% mark, which is what I do like, and you guys know this, especially with order blocks. But sometimes with double tops and double bottoms, I like to get the furthest retrace possible. Now, I am a very patient trader, right? Sometimes the price could retrace to maybe just the bottom or 75% or halfway, and I could be sitting here waiting for price to retrace all the way deeper, and it could just bounce right to the bottom and leave me in the dust and carry on, right? Now, this happens. But it doesn't matter, because I have back tested these patterns so much that I am not going to revenge trade and jump into these positions angrily if the trade leaves without me entering. All right. It's a very common occurrence for trades to leave without people having entered. It happens all the time. So what do? Well, I sit on my hands and I will wait. If price does not retrace to where I want it to retrace, which in this case is the right at the resistance points, the most resistance point of this next zone, right? That's where I was waiting for price to retrace to. And we did get that, but if it didn't, and if it went on without me, that's okay as well. All right. I like to put my stop loss, and this is very subjective with these double top and double bottom patterns, right? But I generally like to put them above the next zone areas right here, because this is previous resistance as well. So this is an interesting point for me. And the reason why I like price to retrace into the deepest most part of the next zone is because I get a higher risk to reward. I get more opportunity, right? So my target is actually the bottom of previous support right here. And if price does keep going lower, well, then I should have a second target, right? And that is about managing the trade. But I am going to exit most of my position once price reaches the bottom of this zone right here, which is previous support. All right, and that gives me a nice, at least a 1 to 4 risk to reward, which is great. It is a 4-hour setup, so it will take time to play out. Right now, the reason why I did not jump onto a video for you guys and to show you the setup, because this candle entered my position at 3 o'clock in the morning, my time. So I could not wake and jump out of bed and make a video for you guys, but I am showing you this morning because now it is midday and it is a nice opportunity for you all to see exactly how I play these patterns. All right, so on that note, guys, I am going to thank you all so much for watching. Before I forget, please would you support us on Patreon? For the price of a cup of coffee, you can get access to exclusive content, including full courses, live streams, analysis, and breaking news. You won't find it anywhere else, and the reason is because we do it the FSP way. If you visit Forex-Stock-Predictions.com, you will see we have multiple fantastic analysts and traders all posting their predictions and their thoughts and their strategies and their setups on various pairs and assets across all financial markets. So whether you are into stocks or crypto or commodities or Forex, you will find the right trader for you, right? We have a fantastic setup over there. We also have some awesome merch. Check it out, check it out, check it out. And on that note, I'm going to leave you all and bid you all a very happy Wednesday afternoon. I will be most certainly catching you all in the next video. Thanks again for watching. See you later.